This tutorial is going to show you how to make an asteroid animation using OWN and MicroObservatory Image. So you're going to get an email with 3 images in there. You're going to open up the email you got. Click on the first image to open it in a web browser. The link at the very top, you're going to right-click that link and choose Save Link As. That's going to save it as a FITS file. So save it to a directory that you can find easily or make a new folder for it. We're going to make a new folder called As Images. Click Create and Save. Go back to the email. Click on image number 2. Right-click again, Save Link As. Save it in the same location as you saved the first one. Repeat these steps for image number 3. Right-click, Save Link As, in the same directory. So now we're going to quit our web browser. And we're also going to quit the email. You don't need that anymore. And instead, we're going to open up the image folder. Now, these have really strange long names. The numbers at the end mean something. The first few numbers are the date that they were taken. And the last 6 numbers are the time. And these are the important ones we're going to want to pay attention to. So the last 6 numbers are hour, minute, and second. And so we're going to double-click on the FITS file to open it up in MicroObservatory Image. And so we want to pay attention to the time each of these were taken. We have one at 10 o'clock, one at 9 o'clock, and one at 8 o'clock. We want to keep them in the order, the 8 o'clock being on the very top, because we want them in chronological order. But we have to process them. So we're going to go to Process, Adjust Image, little window will pop up, click Auto. We're going to do these for each of the images, but we're going to keep them in order. So we kept 10 o'clock at the last, the back, and then 9 o'clock and then 8 o'clock, auto-adjusting each of them. Now we're going to stack them together. So we're going to go to Process, Stack, Convert Images to Stack. So now they're going to be in an animation, but they're not quite lined up yet, so we have to click Shift. First, you're going to pick the first image as the background, and the second image as the first foreground. You have to align these 2 images, so look for patterns to help you align. So yours is going to look different from this. This is obviously taken on a different night. So you're going to look for small patterns that are going to help you, and you can use the I, J, K, and L keys to fine-tune this alignment. You can pick the third image as the next foreground right away. So we have this pattern of 3 stars. It's going to help us, and also this cluster over here, and this cluster over here. So we're going to align those patterns again. And that looks pretty good. So when you're done, you're going to click OK. That's going to save that alignment. And then you can flip through the frames to see the animation. You're going to look for your asteroid. So the moving star, something that looks like a star, but it's going to move between fields, is going to be the asteroid. So there it is, right there in the upper left. So yours will be in a different spot. So another thing you can do is go up to Process, Stack, and choose Start Animation. And this will flip through the images for you, and you can see the animation happening. You can do this to get a clearer picture if you want to spend some more time just looking for your asteroid. But you also have to save it, so we can go to Stop Animation, and then we can save the image to look at later. So you're going to go to File, Save As, and choose Animated GIF. Save it probably in that same folder that you saved the original images. We're going to call ours As Animation .gif. So to see that file, you can just open it up, and it'll open it up in whatever program is automatic for it. You can click through the frames and see the animation there. Another way to see your animation is to open up the file with a web browser. So we're going to select File, Open With, and we're going to choose Firefox. And it's going to open up right there in the window.